We'll guide you through how to use Vercel Chat SDK effectively with the latest features. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Vercel website and sign into your account. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard where you can find the option to create a new project. Click on Create New Project and select the option to integrate the Chat SDK. This will prompt you to enter the necessary details like your project name and select the appropriate framework or platform you are using. After setting up your project, go to the Chat SDK section on the dashboard. Here, you will find the documentation and installation guide. It's crucial to follow the installation steps carefully. You'll need to install the Chat SDK package using your preferred package manager. So open your terminal and run the command that matches your setup. For example, if you're using Node.js, you'll execute npm install Vercel Chat SDK. Once the installation is complete, you need to import the SDK into your project files where you intend to use the chat functionality. After importing, initialize the SDK with your project credentials, which you can find in your Vercel dashboard under the Chat SDK section. This step is vital as it establishes the connection between your project and Vercel's chat services. Now, you can start implementing chat features. Use the sample code provided in the documentation to integrate basic chat functionalities such as sending and receiving messages. You can customize the chat interface using the SDK's customization options to match your application's design. Finally, make sure to test the chat functionality thoroughly in a development environment before deploying it to production. This ensures everything works smoothly, and you can catch any potential issues early. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.